What's up everybody, John Rocos here from OpenCase. Today we've got something special for you. We're going to show off a whole bunch of accessories that we're going to show you, will it fit? That's right, and what will it fit inside of the opening in OpenCase. So first off, what is OpenCase? It is our patent pending phone case design that holds MagSafe accessories more securely because it bumps up on all four sides by holding it inside of the case, especially compared to a traditional MagSafe case that can easily move around, or even when it's on the bare back of a phone. It also makes stuff thinner because instead of duplicating the material on the case and on the accessory, it fits inside, so stuff is much slimmer than usual. And with that extra piece of material gone, it's right around 40% lighter compared to if it was made solid like other cases. And the key design principle behind OpenCase was to make sure that we created no lock-in. So whether that's using our own accessories, our own MagSafe accessories, they of course perfectly fit inside of the case, but they will also perfectly work on regular MagSafe cases, as well as the bare back of a phone. But one of the most asked questions we get is, I have this beloved accessory, so third-party accessories, and we wanted to make sure those could easily work as well. Again, no lock-in. As long as it's the correct size to fit inside of the opening of OpenCase, let's say like this PopSocket, it'll work. Let's start off with the dimensions. So the opening in OpenCase, if you ever just want to measure it yourself, is 96 millimeters tall, approximately, by 65 millimeters wide, with a 9 millimeter radius at all four corners. So if it fits within inside of those measurements, it will fit. So today we've got 18 accessories, 13 of them third parties. We've got 5 of our own because we'd like to sell some of our own accessories as well. But we get asked this all the time, will it fit? And that's what we're going to go through today. So let me get everything started and get it moved out of the way and show you, will it fit? You can find links and more information on all the products we reviewed today down in the description. All right, first up, let's start with Apple. All right, so this is the big one. This is Apple's MagSafe Wallet. The whole OpenCase concept is based on this right here, the size of their wallet. We're go just slightly bigger than that. And it was my fear of this sliding around and maybe even popping off. That's what led to the idea for OpenCase, our patent pending phone case here. So obviously Apple's MagSafe Wallet fits perfectly, much more secure than usual. That's the whole idea. Next, Apple's MagSafe battery. They don't sell this anymore, but it is a fan favorite and tons of people still have these and love them. You can pick them up other places as well. It's the identical outline size to the wallet. Same thing, holds it much more securely. Also makes it a little bit thinner than sitting on top of a case. So there you go. Both Apple's products work great. All right, next up, Moft. So these are the ones we get asked about the most. We've got the invisible phone tripod stand, the Snap phone stand and wallet, and this is actually my Kickstarter reward, the Snap Flow. We're gonna check these 3 out. So let's start with the Snap phone stand and wallet, probably one of their most popular items and the one that we get asked about the most. So here it is, the Snap phone stand and wallet. And let's put it in there. So if you can see, on first try, it doesn't fully fit. It looks like it's literally at the boundary of fitting. And if I give it a little hard push, it does fit. It's a little tighter than kind of the normal fit, but it does work. So if you're willing to give it a little push in there, otherwise top to bottom, left to right, it's that much more secure that you would expect from OpenCase. We got the normal Moft stuff going on here with the origami, so looks good. Looks good. So that one does fit, but be warned, it is a little tight. Next, we're going to check out this invisible phone stand tripod. Here it is. Looks very nice. And a nice little bonus here. It's almost perfectly matching in the light gray of our case here. So that's a nice little bonus. It does fit in there, left to right, up to down. Nice and snug. It's got that more secure, which we're always looking for. We can pull it down. Now, I am a little worried about the hinge right there, but it does seem to be working until we hit the very edge, and then you can see it start to lift the bottom out. But short of that, it still does stay in there very nicely. There you go. We got the tripod action. So, normal Moft stuff. Really nice. Much more secure than if it was sliding on the back of a flat back of the phone or a regular case. So yeah, really nice. Folds back in, right in there, looking good. Good job, Moft. And finally, the snap flow. Again, this is the Kickstarter I supported. So, it's got this nice little pad of paper in here for taking notes. This ingenious little folds flat pen folds up into a little origami triangle, so it's easy to hold on to take notes. And then you fold it flat, and then magnets hold it inside the case itself, which is really nice. And let's see what we got here. And fortunately, this one I cannot recommend because, let's see if you can see it here. It is, if you see at the bottom there, it's just about 5 to 10 millimeters too long. So left to right, it's not too bad. Looks like the fit is pretty good, but up and down, because it can't fully sit inside the opening, it doesn't have that more secure. So, and because it's slightly lifted on the bottom, the magnets don't hold as well as they should either. So unfortunately for the snap flow, that one we can't recommend because it just doesn't quite fit, but the fit and finish of it is very nice. All right, third up, PopSocket. So there's they're all kind of variations on the theme because they're all kind of the normal PopSocket-y thing. This one's a little bit unique because it has the battery built in, so we'll save that for last. And we'll start off with kind of traditional PopGrip. All right, so here's their PopGrip. We'll place this on here. So it does fit within the opening of OpenCase, but as you can see, it does not take advantage of hitting all four sides. It does hit the top, which is definitely one of the most important contact points. It does have nice strong magnets, so it does hold, it does work, but you don't have the benefit of the sides there. So we'll have to leave that one up to you. Nevertheless, it's thinner and lighter, but it does fit within the area. So that's their PopGrip. Next up is another version of the PopGrip. This one's kind of a larger oval. So we're gonna give this one a try. So here it is, you get see it, nice oval. So very similar to the perfectly round PopGrip we just looked at. It does fit within the area of OpenCase. It does touch at the top, but the other three sides, it does not make contact, so it can slide a little bit inside of there. But just like the first one, it does have really strong magnets, so that's really nice. If this is one that is a favorite of yours, it will fit within inside of the OpenCase opening. Next is their Magnetic Phone Wallet Plus for MagSafe. So let's give this one a look. Let's give this one a try. So it does fit in. This one's quite a bit closer compared to the first two that we looked at, but it still does not completely reach the edges on the left or the right side or the bottom. Again, it does touch the top. Again, one of the most important contact points there. Still strong magnets, but it does still move around. It does not take advantage of the full OpenCase opening for more securely holding it in place. But if that's a favorite of yours, it does fit. Nice job, PopSocket, on that one. Next, there, Softgoods PopWallet Plus for MagSafe. So let's see what we got here. A little easier to open that package. So this one already is looking like it's going to be close, if not exactly the same size as a Apple MagSafe Wallet or our own MagWallet. And that's it. You see that? Perfect fit inside of the OpenCase opening. Touches on all four sides. Nice strong magnets, holds everything in there. Doesn't move side to side. Much more secure hold, and that's what we're always looking for. Yeah, real good job on that one. That one's going to work out great in terms of working and being nice and compatible with OpenCase. And finally, we've got the PopSocket PowerPack for MagSafe. Let's crack this one open. All right, so there you see it. Nice size battery they got there. And let's put it in. And yeah, let's see if you can see it. Again, about 5 to 10 millimeters too long, so it does not fit within the OpenCase opening. Left to right, it's not horrible, but it also has these rounded edges on the bottom, so it doesn't, it kind of is trying to lift, and then up and down, it won't lock in at all. So that one is not compatible with OpenCase. Looks like nice build quality, so, but just, it's not one that's gonna, it's just not gonna work with OpenCase. So, next up, Ridge. All right, another fan favorite. I've always really liked the build quality of Ridge's stuff. Beautiful unboxing experience as well here. This is super nice. All right, and there we go. So we got the nice all metal design for their MagSafe compatible Ridge wallet. You see there? So yeah, that nice metal design that they're known for. I am already noticing that the magnets on this are elevated. So I'm a little concerned about that. And this is hard plastic on these magnets, not rubberized. So let's see what happens. Here we go. So it does fit within the opening of OpenCase, but those raised magnets, I'm already seeing the issue. Yeah, and it does make contact at the top, so that's nice, but because of the hard plastic and because of the raised magnets, it just doesn't have a secure interface with the OpenCase case. They do, I saw in the package here, they do have this adapter plate, but I mean, this is a real full commitment type of thing where they want you to peel off the adhesive and adhere it to your phone case or directly to your phone. And you can see the magnets, which are raised here, are supposed to go into that, and it does lock in there, but actually it's made of metal, so it even adheres to that. It's like they've created their own MagSafe interface. So yeah, that one, I can't recommend this one to work with OpenCase. Definitely not compatible in terms of holding well. Maybe this works for some other folks, but yeah, if they would have had them put flush into the bottom plate here and maybe added a slight rubber coating so it really would be non-slip, that could have worked out. But again, beautiful build quality, just it's not going to work well with OpenCase. All right, second to the end here, Spigen. So two very nice cases here from Spigen. First, we got their card holder for MagSafe. Let's pop this one out and give it a try. Okay, so already it's looking like it's matching the size of an Apple MagSafe wallet. So let's see if that's true. See if my eye detected that. And there it is. A very nice fit. Doesn't move around. It's got that more secure fit that you find with OpenCase. It's a really nice one. Very good fit. Next one from Spigen is their Ultra Hybrid for MagSafe. Let's pop this one open, check it out. So there you go. Cool looking MagSafe Wallet they've got here. It does, I'm noticing, have some rubberized contact patches on the back, which are really nice for holding things in place. Looks like it's about the right size. And there you go. That is a nice fit inside of there. Hits on all four sides. Much more secure holding. That's a good one right there. The Spigen Ultra Hybrid. Well done, Spigen. And finally, we've got our own OpenCase accessories. I'll start with our MagWallet, made to be the exact same size as Apple's MagSafe Wallet. Much more secure, fits on all four sides. Of course, we take advantage of the OpenCase opening. Next, the PopHolder, our own little pop-out grip. Holds nice. Same thing, takes advantage of hitting all four sides. We've got our FillerPlate, which is kind of a blank plate that fits in if you still want full coverage, but you don't want to use an accessory at some point in time. We have matching colors. I just used the black on our light gray so it would stand out. We have our StandByStand, which has the nice round puck. So when it's on your nightstand, it's easy to go horizontal and vertical with it. Smoothly rotates right in place. And finally, our CarMountCharger, which mounts in the car. Same round puck design, which the positively connects right there at the very top. Again, when you're bouncing down the road, so it holds it in place, and you can easily spin it horizontal, vertical. And those are our 5 specifically made OpenCase accessories. So there you go. One of our most asked questions, will it fit? I think going through all 18 of these, hopefully that was a monster review of all this stuff, but hopefully that gives you a good idea of what works and what doesn't. Obviously shows the stability of the OpenCase opening. And of course, we have our Works with OpenCase certified program. So for any manufacturers out there who make their third-party MagSafe products, soon to be cheap too as well, and you want to let your customers know that it works perfectly with OpenCase cases, you can go to our website and fill out the contact form and get in contact with us there. Otherwise, maybe we'll do this again, maybe we won't, but at least wanted to give you all an idea of what works well with third-party MagSafe accessories with OpenCase. I hope you enjoyed that, and thanks for being an OpenCase customer. Find more details in the description below. We'll catch you next time. Peace.